This webinar is the first in a series of 6 that I'll be doing to introduce Wyckoff to students that are beginning to understand Wyckoff, as well as those that need a refresher course. I go in more detail in the mentoring section all located on the LTG trading site. But these are intended to give a little introduction to Wyckoff and the reason why I find it to be somewhat of a superior method of looking into trading. There will be a total of 6 of these starter webinars, as well as a point and figure webinar series as well, which will be done by Amos Combs, the CTA. The 6 starting webinars that I will be doing, one will be on the Wyckoff schematic, which you see currently on the screen now. And then the next one will be, then we'll have accumulation, distribution, trading range, springs, and upthrust. These will be a total of 6 of these webinars. They will last anywhere from 60 to 90 minutes. And again, they're intended to be introduction to the beginning of Wyckoff and not to be intended to be the detail which we discuss thoroughly in the one-on-ones, which are unlimited in scope of nature. So let us begin with the schematics. The chart that you see is the Stock Market Institute chart of the Wyckoff wave chart schematic. And in this particular chart, it is taken from the market going from the down phase, the markdown phase, the accumulation phase, and the up phase. We will not go in detail with this chart, this series, this first part, as we will go for detail in the subsequent ones. So, let us begin with our disclaimer. There's a substantial risk of loss in trading commodity futures and options. Past performance are indicative of future results, and the opinions expressed for those of Gary Ford LTG LC are not to be taken as a recommendation to buy or sell commodity future options. This is educational purposes based upon the teachings of Richard D. Wyckoff. We also have a disclaimer on the bottom of the charts, which you should read